Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle one of the questions I get the most on this channel, and that is, how do I pair my Fire TV Stick remote with my Fire Stick or my TV? And why does it unsync, or why isn't it paired automatically when you first get it? It's actually going to be a really quick video, really easy steps to follow, because there are really only 3 reasons why it's not paired. So we're going to cover all 3 of those. We're going to fix the problem right now. Let's go. All right, so what do most people do when they have an issue with their Fire TV stick? They Google it. You just Google whatever your issue is, in this case, remote control, and it pulls up Amazon's recommendation. What is the recommendation? Just replace the batteries. That's all they give you. Guys, there's so much more to it. If you go down a little bit further, you'll see videos on Google, and then if you go even further down, you'll see web pages dedicated to how to fix these and pair these remotes back to your Fire Stick and your TV. It's actually really quick and really easy. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. There's three ways to resync your Fire TV stick to your TV. There's one I'm going to cover right now, and that is broken remote. And you're going to know that right off the bat. And that's one of the reasons I have one of these cases on here. I know it looks a little different than your remote because you're just going to have a remote like this. Well, you can actually get these cases for really inexpensive on Amazon. I'll put links to this one because this is the one I really like. It doesn't cover up the keys. It's got a little holder and it glows in the dark. They're really inexpensive. I will put links in the description of this video where you can get one of these if you want to get one to protect your remote in the future. But if you drop it on the hardwood floor, they're really hard to break. But if you do drop it on the hardwood floor, or if you get it wet or have sticky fingers while you're eating, or whatever reason the buttons stop working, it can possibly go bad. First thing I would do is I would change the batteries. Just slide the back right off, really easy to do. Replace those batteries first. After you replace those batteries, that's step 1. Try hitting the buttons, and if it lights up in the corner, you know it is a good remote. So now that we know that you have good batteries and that your remote is working, there are 2 types of pairing that you have to do with your Fire TV stick, and they're different. So one of them is syncing it to your Fire Stick, and the other one is syncing it to your TV. They're actually 2 separate functions. So when you sync it to your TV, you're talking about volume up and down, being able to change the input to different inputs on your TV, as well as the power on and off on your TV. So that's syncing it to the TV, and then they're syncing it to the Fire Stick. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that it's synced to your Fire Stick. So let's go ahead and go on the TV, and we're going to show you that really quick. All right, step 1 is to sync the remote to your Fire Stick. You can use the Fire TV app for this. It's the easiest way to do it, and you can control it from your phone. And that way you can get into the settings and into the pairing mode where you want to be. And this is what the remote looks like right here. It's a free app. It's real easy to get, and I have videos on how to do it. So use your app to get into settings and go to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Now you're going to click on Amazon Fire TV remote. As you can see, you want to make sure that your batteries are okay. This is a good way to find out if your batteries are going bad on the one you have. Well, you're going to go down to add, and then you're going to go to where it says searching. Go ahead and use your remote control and hold down the home button. You're going to hold it for about 10 seconds. Let's do it right here. As we're holding it, the shortcut menu will come up, but keep holding it. Do not let go of that button. It's not in syncing mode quite yet. It's not quite pairing until you see that blinking light right there. That's how you know that it is ready to go, and it is pairing. So fast forward about 10 to 15 seconds, and let's hit the home button on your remote, and as you can see, we have complete control of this Fire TV stick with this remote. We just paired the new remote to your Fire Stick. Now, once you have control, we can do step 2, and that is syncing it to your TV. Now, this is obviously really important because you can control volume, all kinds of things. So you're going to go into settings, go down to equipment control, and then you're going to go down to manage equipment right down below at the bottom. And once you do that, you're going to go into TV. So let's go ahead and click TV. There's all kinds of controls in here, but what we're going to focus on in this video is changing your TV. Now look to the right. If it says current TV and that's not your TV, you'll want to remove this device. If you don't do that, every so often it's going to unsync and resync automatically to whatever TV that it says the current TV. It could be an older TV of yours. So what you're going to want to do is hit that hamburger button on your remote control, and it's right here located on your remote. It's a little blurry. I'm sorry, it's focused on the TV, but it's the 3 dash lines on your remote. If you click that, it will go ahead and deactivate that TV, and now you can go ahead and click Change TV. So once you click Change TV, you just follow the steps. It's real easy. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and there you go, boom. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something today. What I wanted to do is just do a quick, really easy, simple tutorial on how to pair your Fire TV Stick remote to your TV. Sometimes you get a new TV and you have to resync it to the new TV, or you get a Fire Stick replaced for whatever reason from Amazon and you have to sync your remote back to your TV. Why does it unpair from some Fire Sticks over time? Nobody really knows. Sometimes it's a flaw within the remote or with the Fire Stick. If it's still under warranty and this is happening regularly, I definitely would suggest replacing your Fire Stick while it's still under warranty. But in this video, I've shared with you how you can pair it with your Fire Stick and with your TV. Any questions, please comment down below. Thanks again for watching. Bye.